Yes, good health is like a prison in a human life. A man can survive without excess money, but he cannot survive without good health. The basic laws of good health are related to the food we eat and the amount of physical exercise we do, rest, relaxation and cleanliness. For promoted health worldwide, we celebrate World Health Day. World Health Day are celebrated on 7th April. Now, we are show some foods with students, junk food and healthy food. Yes, students, stand up.
This is a cake, eat our healthy food. This is a lunchbox, this is a cake, this is a halwa, they are healthy food. This is a halwa, this is a banana, they are healthy food. This is a paratha, this is a chips, they are junk food.
Very nice.
This is a halwa, this is a churma, they are healthy food.
Yes, very good.
This is a card, this is a chapati, they are
Healthy food.
unhealthy food.
Yes, very good. Now, recite a poem. Stand up all. Livans, recite poem.
Healthy balls